Polychromotion. Before we settle in, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new practice. And leave a comment below. I respond to everyone, and I love hearing how each flow feels in your body. Today, I'm at the coast of a serene pebble stone beach in the Canary Islands. The sound of the waves, the breeze in the air, and a new fluffy friend beside me. He's joined us today, gently curled nearby, as we move through a 15-minute yoga flow designed to release tension in the neck and shoulders. Let's begin this journey seated, hands resting gently on your knees. Bring your fingers to a soft and intentional mudra. Close your eyes. Let your breath arrive before your movement. And take this moment to set an intention. Maybe today you choose to release stress, or maybe it's simply the intention to show up as you are. Let's breathe into our intention and take a few intentional breaths here. Inhale, feel your chest expand. Exhale, let it all out. One more time. Inhale, breathe into stillness, presence, and exhale. Gently open your eyes. Now let's begin with a few gentle shoulder rotations. Keep your palms resting on your knees. Roll your shoulders back at your own pace. Feel the rhythm of your breath guiding your movement. Slow it down. Hollow your chest slightly and experiment with a bit more curve in the spine. Take a moment to stay with your chest hollowed, and then expanding arch your back, and take a moment here before we reverse the direction of our shoulder rotations. Now moving the shoulders forward. Feel the heat gently building in the upper body. Let your awareness be soft and inward. Beautiful. Now taking a deep breath in, interlace your fingers. Now exhale, reach the arms up overhead. Inhale, bring the right hand gently over the head, and with the left palm flexed, bring it down until you feel pull in your neck and shoulder. Gently turn your gaze downward, then slowly forward again. Notice how the sensation shifts. Repeat this subtle gaze movement a few times at your own rhythm. switch sides. Inhale, interlace the fingers. Exhale, stretch the arms overhead. And on your next exhale, rest your left hand over the head. Flex the right palm downward. Gently lower until the sensation builds in the right neck and shoulder. And let your head slowly gaze down, then back to neutral. Feel into that space. Move mindfully. Breathe through each. Now release that stretch and get ready to come onto all fours for our tabletop position. Inhale, arch the back, gaze upward. Exhale, round the spine, draw the chin inward. Repeat this twice more at your own pace, synchronizing breath with movement. Now let's begin a circular cat-cow rotation. Move your spine in slow, intentional circles. Clockwise first. Let your head and neck follow. This is your spine waking up. This is your body exploring its own rhythm. There's no right shape, only sensation. Now gently begin to reverse the direction, rotating counterclockwise. Let your breath continue to guide your movement. This isn't just about the spine, it's also our neck, our shoulders. It's also about releasing patterns that keep us stuck. Beautiful. Now bring the right knee to the center of your mat and cross the left leg around the right to crisscross your legs. Lower back until you are seated between your feet or as far as accessible. And now cross your arms in front of your chest, wrapping one arm over the other and let the palms touch or come close. This is your eagle arm stretch. Experiment with lifting the elbows slightly, drawing the shoulder blades apart, and moving your head from left to right. And breathe into the upper back. Take a final breath here. Now unwind and find the same shape again on the other side. Left knee to center and cross the right leg around the left to crisscross your legs. Seated between your feet, and now finding your eagle arm stretch on the other side, wrapping one arm over the other and letting your palms touch. Same shape, other side. Be present with what this side feels like. No need to compare. Balance is not about symmetry. Balance is presence with each side, just as it is. This is a shape that feels like a hug. This posture invites us to hold ourselves with compassion. Unraveling, let's take this into our upward facing dog. Take a breath here and slowly slide yourself into cobra pose. Now lift your right arm up and thread it under your left armpit. Slowly let your weight rest on the right shoulder and temple, and breathe deeply here. Just allow gravity and time to allow your shoulder to soften and open. Breathe into this. Wonderful. Now release the shoulder back to cobra, and now lift the left arm up and thread it under the right armpit. Slowly resting your forehead to the mat. Allow your right hand to stay grounded beside you. Close your eyes if it's comfortable, and let your body be heavier. This is a pose of soft surrender, of giving your shoulder permission to release all the tension it's holding. Inhale, feel the back of the heart expand, and exhale, let your weight melt down into the mat, into this moment. Beautiful. Now release that arm and return to cobra. Take a deep breath and push back into child's pose. Let your neck fully release and your shoulders melt. Take a breath to feel the stillness of this moment, and let it soak into your nervous system. Wonderful. Now come forward into a wide arm cobra. Hands are wider than your mat, and drop your left shoulder down. Turn your gaze gently to the right. Feel the stretch across the neck and the collarbone. Come back to center, and now drop your right shoulder onto the mat, turning your gaze left. Do this one more time on each side at your own pace. Move slowly and let the breath guide the flow. Feel the earth supporting you. This is your moment of stillness within the movement. Beautiful. Now coming back to center in your cobra, drop your chest to the mat and gently roll onto your back. This is your final pose, Shavasana. Let the entire body melt into the mat. Stay here, be here, and let the earth hold you. This is where integration begins, where breath and body realigns, and this is where we let go. Stay here as long as you need. Thank you for joining me here today. I hope this shoulder and neck release brought you more openness, calm, and clarity. If this practice served you, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Let me know in the comments what area of your body felt the most relief today. I respond to every comment, and I'd love to hear from you. Move gently, breathe deeply, and live fully. And I can't wait to see you again in the next Polychromotion.